This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Hey everyone, welcome back again. This is the first ever Ask Me session on this channel, where I am trying to answer some of your questions. So, let's get started. So here is the first question. Why don't you show your face like other YouTubers? Asked by Director Design. Well, I understand that showing your face to the audience helps in connecting with them and increase the content quality of your channel. Many YouTubers are doing it, and this is really a good idea. But, I'm the person who loves to work behind the camera. This is why you can't find any single photo of me on internet. I have a name, but not the appearance. Maybe in the future, I'll come up with my face in the videos. But I'm not planning to do it right now. Moving to the question 2. Any job you did in past, or currently doing except YouTube? Asked by Rush B. I started doing freelancing, while I've been a student of motion graphics. I remember my first ever earning was $10, which I have received on designing a logo in December 2011. Then I started taking more freelance projects, and finally got a full-time job in 2013, as a graphic designer. Side by side, I have been posting some tutorial videos on YouTube. That time I wasn't earning anything from YouTube, so I kept the graphic designer job. Then I left the job in 2017, and started working full-time on YouTube. Right now my full-time job is freelancing and YouTube. Question number 3. Are you related to Peter Parker? Asked by SS. Lol. No. I'm not related to Peter Parker. But I'm a huge fan of superheroes. Next question is from Bikaskara Jamba. I'm sorry for the wrong pronunciation. So the question is, anybody whom you got inspired to make such masterpieces? My first inspiration is Andrew Kramer, from videocopilot.net. I grew up watching his tutorials. And he is the only person who inspired me to create my YouTube channel. Next question is from Shivam Singh. Your favorite YouTuber, who is not related with After Effects? My favorite YouTuber is MKBHD. He makes really good tech videos. The intro song, and the graphics of my channels are inspired from him. Let's move to the next question. Chrome Remote is asking, I hear your voice in some other channels, such as Mohammed Akraf, is that you, or it is a template? This is the most asked question on my channel. The voice you are hearing in my videos aren't my actual voice. This is a text-to-speech, where you type your script and convert it into the audio. I am using Amazon Polly for the voice. Next question is from Roban Rajan. How do you learn After Effects? Well, I started learning After Effects in the art school, because I had no idea where to start. So I took admission, and started learning. Side by side, I have been using YouTube for learning. But there were some problems in learning from the internet. First, you have to find out by yourself, which are the industry's standard softwares. Then find a perfect channel, where you can learn from the beginning. Please note, I'm talking about the 2011. That time, there were only a few channels for learning motion graphics. And if you had any doubts, you cannot ask to anyone. This is why I learned the softwares from the school. But thanks for the development. Right now there are many YouTube channels and websites where you can get the right information from start to beginning. Next question is from Zubinex. It's great to know how to do those amazing animations. But how do you come up with the designs for them? I believe inspiration is everything for creating designs. I also take some inspirations or ideas for the tutorials. Most of the ideas came from Pinterest, Dribbble, Behance, and Envato. Because there are so many great designers out there who share their ideas with the world. Let's take the next question. Noah SM is asking, how long have you been using After Effects? Also, how old are you? I have been using After Effects since 2010. And I'm 26. This is it for today. Thank you for asking your questions. I will see you in the next one. Till then, good luck, and peace. Design video products faster, with Envato Elements. Get unlimited download After Effects template, stock footage, fonts, music files, and web templates. Visit the Envato Elements. Check the first link in the description.